Hey, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a true SS, 396, numbers matching, with the automatic transmission, numbers matching, factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, numbers matching, 396 right here. It doesn't get much nicer than this. It's got the factory correct SS wheels on it with the BF Goodrich tires, finished in a beautiful red maroon color, burgundy, a lot of people like to call it. Really looks good, nice and clean. Wheels and tires look good. All the paint and body work is excellent on the car. Really nice black stripe going down the sides. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is finished beautifully. No rips or tears in the seats. Really looks good. Get the keys here. So when we look inside the trunk, we'll have it. It's got a couple gauges below the dash there. Back seat looks good. The carpet looks good. Headliner as well looks good. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's finished as well. Really nice. It's got the nice spare tire and the mat and all the jack equipment. Really looks good. Under the mat as well looks good. Nice and clean. Really nice. So, show you it's got the stickers. So, shut this. We're going to start it up to see how it sounds. Cut it off here. Like I said, all the interior's in excellent shape. Dash looks good. It's got a nice radio in it. Newer style, classic radio. Looks original, but it's got new equipment to it. All the doors look good. It's really nice and clean. Super clean headliner on this side. So, shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by the 396, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, and like I said, it is all numbers matching. Really nice and clean. Under the hood looks good. So, shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 numbers matching true super sport for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Show you the gauges. Radio. It's got the factory air conditioning on this car. It works great. Horn works. We're going to take it for our drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. We're going to go driving, see how it does. Said it's beautiful. We're going to take the Chevelle for a drive. Here we go. It really runs and drives great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really Really excellent running, driving car.
Yeah. It really is nice. Just one of those cars you can get in and just go anywhere.
Yep, go cruising.
Radio works exceptionally well.
Yes. No rattles or shakes in the car. It really does good. We're going to turn around and head back here. I'll show you the turn signals working on each side. There you go. Both sides are working great. We're going to turn around and head back, and like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Chevelle's made of. One more truck coming, and we'll be ready to go. Right, here we go.
Really nice.
Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Like I said, no rattles or shakes in the car while you're driving it. Really does good. We're almost back here, and like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.